Hey carpet cleaners, it's John here. I've just completed 3 weeks of jewelry service, during which time I had my phone taken off me every single day. I wasn't able to work as such. I wasn't able to attend any meetings. And I want to share with you in this video a little bit about what I've learned from that experience in terms of running a business when you're not able to be around, and share that with you because there's some real valuable insights that I think can really help you guys in terms of your carpet cleaning businesses. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I run a company called Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry. We specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive into the content. So I went on jewelry service for 3 weeks. During that time, I wasn't allowed to have my phone with me, obviously, and therefore I wasn't able to keep on top of my emails, on top of my messages. I wasn't able to have any meetings or calls with my team or anything like that. And I had to rely entirely on my employees keeping everything going. And you know what? It did. Everything kept moving, all of the cogs kept turning, and the business kept working without me in it. And other members of the jury, though, they weren't so lucky. There was a guy that was on the jury with me, and he was a barber. And every single day that he was at court, he was at jury, doing the jury service, he was just losing money. He wasn't able to work. Now, they do compensate you in the UK. It's not a lot of money, though. It's nowhere near, the amount of money, for example, that guy would have made if he would have actually been able to work. So he was really stuck between a rock and a hard place. And in the UK, it's a legal obligation. If you get called to do jury service, you have to do it. You must do it. It's illegal for you not to. You've got no choice in the matter. And so that got me to thinking, if you're a carpet cleaning business owner and you got called to do jury service and you're an owner operator and you've got no staff, no team members, no employees, and your average ticket £200-300 or $200-300 or whatever it is, you're gonna be screwed, man. And typically, like they say in the UK anyway, most cases are 2 weeks long. Mine was a 3-weeker. But if you get on a big case like a murder or something like that, well, you could be out of the game for months, essentially. It could put your business under if it's only you. And so it's things like this that make me realize, and I want to stress that to you guys on this video, how important it is to get out of that owner operator mindset and start to think about building a team around you. Because whether it's jewelry service, whether you fall down the stairs, touch wood it doesn't happen, whatever life throws at us, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you've got the necessary measures in place inside your business to ensure that your business keeps working and it keeps making money. Because if you haven't, it could be absolutely disastrous for you and for your family. This is serious talk now. Get a technician, start to train them up so that if you are out of the game for a few weeks, they can step in. Maybe hire somebody to help you with the appointments and things like that. Stay at home mom or a college student that wants to earn some extra money. It doesn't have to cost you a fortune, but having the basics there in place, it means that if these situations occur, it's not going to screw you and your business up, number one. But number two, by reinvesting in the profits that you're making inside your business to hire people around you, to bring on a team, even if you're not out of the game, even if you're not on jewelry service or you're not injured and you're still working, by removing some of these tasks that you're currently doing, by having an extra pair of hands to go out there doing the carpet cleaning, it means that you're going to be free to then focus on growing and scaling the business, to be able to focus on taking it to the next level. From the viewpoint of having an extra technician, even if you're currently out there cleaning carpets as well, it potentially means that you can do twice as much work and therefore make twice as much money. So obviously obviously hiring people and getting the right people in and training them and stuff like that, it's like a whole other topic. We all know that finding quality people is difficult, so on and so forth. But I just wanted to have this basic conversation with you, like right now, that like, look, don't wait until it's too late, you know, like start to think about these things now. Start to put the feelers out there. Start to think about hiring people. Start to take those first steps, because it could be you that gets called onto jury service. And suddenly, because you're the only guy in the business, you're not able to make money for the next few weeks. And that could be disastrous for you and your business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description where you'll find a link to schedule a call with us. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.